Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 5G with 11th General Intel Core CPUs, 5G connectivity, 13-megapixel camera launched. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 5G has been announced by the South Korean tech giant as the latest entry into its hybrid portfolio. It is the company's first 5G-equipped laptop and also boasts of Intel's latest 11th Gen Core processors. The Galaxy Book Flex 5G is a 2-in-1 and comes with an S Pen that slots right into the laptop when not needed. It is also the company's first laptop to sport a 13-megapixel camera on the keyboard deck that is used as a rear camera in tablet mode. Samsung has not revealed the pricing and availability for the Galaxy Book Flex 5G yet and is expected to do so in the coming days. The Samsung 2-in-1 will be offered in a single royal silver color option and multiple configurations. It is unclear if the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 5G will come to India. Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 5G specifications, features. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 5G runs on Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. It features a 13.3-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels, touchscreen and the panel houses the 720p front-facing camera for video calls. The 2-in-1 notebook is powered by Intel's 11th generation Tiger Lake Core i5 or Core i7 CPUs with Intel Iris Xe graphics with up to 16GB LPDDR4X RAM. You can get up to 512GB of SSD for storage. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 5G takes care of audio with its dual 5-watt speakers by AKG. For connectivity, you get 5G, Sub-6, LTE, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth V5.1, a Thunderbolt 4 port, a USB Type-C port and a USB 3.0 Type-A port, HDMI, 3.5mm headphone/mic combo jack, UFS and microSD card slot, and a SIM slot. The battery on the Galaxy Book Flex 5G is 69.7 watt-hours. You also get a fingerprint scanner on this notebook. The keyboard is backlit and the S Pen has a slot in the front of the laptop. There is also a 13-megapixel camera above the keyboard that acts as a rear-facing camera when the 2-in-1 is in tablet mode with the keyboard folded all the way back. The Galaxy Book Flex 5G measures 304.9 by 202.3 by 13.9 mm and weighs 1.26 kilograms. The Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 5G meets the requirements of the new Intel Evo platform that demands an 11th General Intel Core i5 or Core i7 mobile processors with Intel Iris Xe graphics, remarkable responsiveness, battery life, connectivity, audio, displays, and thin and light designs, as per Intel. These laptops also need to have the Instant Wake feature that the Galaxy Book Flex 5G does. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.